What up, y'all? Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. I had to show both of these shoes together because they kind of go hand in hand. This is the Air Max 97 Plus and the Plus 97. So this is a little pre-Air Max day. Nike brought a boutique-only sneaker that kind of switches the tooling and uses a similar color blocking for the overall design of the shoe. Let's take a look. I know it's kind of sounds a little complicated, but we're gonna take a look at the shoe right now, which is, in my opinion, a pretty cool experiment from Nike. As you guys know, for Air Max month this year, Nike is kind of going with like the species of air type of deal, and what you have here is pretty much a preview of what's to come for Air Max Day. These two shoes right here pretty much switched the tooling. As you can see, this has the 97 upper with the Air Max Plus tooling, and this has the Air Max Plus upper with the 97 tooling, and if you switch them, it would pretty much look like a Mita green or Mika green sneaker, and then this one kind of would have like a pink hue to it. I personally love that they do stuff like this. It's kind of like Nike stepping out of their usual box and trying to experiment with different type of Air Maxes, and I know a lot of people are gravitating towards this shoe a lot more, but for me this one is the pick, just because it looks a little bit like, I'm obviously more attracted to like the unusual sneakers, and this kind of has like a Raf Simons look to it, especially with the color blocking. I really love this sneaker and what Nike is doing with these Air Maxes for Air Max month, so shout out to Nike. Let's start by reviewing this one right here. So you got the Air Max 97 bottom in like a light pink hue, obviously full airbag on there, which is pretty cool. Upper part of the sneaker takes on a Air Max Plus upper, which is a very popular shoe at the moment. Takes on a lot of inspirations for a lot of shoes that got introduced this year, like the Air Max, the Vapor Max Plus, using like a similar upper to this shoe, which was inspired by this sneaker actually. As you can see, it uses like a Mika green upper with a baby blue hit on the toe cap right there, as well as on the side panel. Still has a little bit of 3M on the heel. You do have your regular wave shark design on the side of the Air Max Plus with the mini swoosh on the side. At the top of the tongue here, you got like an orange swoosh embroidery along with your 3M and circular laces. So this is what the Air Max 97 Plus looks like. Let me know what you guys think. And this is what the Air Max Plus 97 looks like. Let's start with the bottom. You got your tuned air bottom. So in that Mika green colorway with the TN Air detail right there. Midsole uses the tooling of the Air Max Plus, obviously. Kind of resembles the 95. A lot of people get that mistaken, but since it is the Air Max Plus, you guys know that, and it's easy to distinguish with obviously that right there. And one of my favorite parts, which is a minor detail, but still a little cool little details, the airbag on the inside. Like almost every other tuned air or TN Air has like a different colored pylons on the inside in red and yellow, which is a nice little hit to the shoe in my opinion. And then the upper part of the sneaker takes on the Air Max 97 upper, obviously, and takes on a baby blue hit over here, which is kind of like a nubuck leather material. Very interesting. It seems like it's 3M, but it's not. Then you got like a canvas hit on the side right over here. And obviously you got your mesh with your 3M piping that goes throughout the entire upper part of the 97s with a little baby blue hit over here, obviously, black laces and an orange detail at the top. That's pretty much it for both of these sneakers right here. Let me know which one you guys prefer, which one you guys are digging more. I'm personally, like I said, I dig this one a little bit more, but this one is pretty cool as well. So now it's time to look at what these guys look like on feet. So yeah, let's go check it out. Alright guys, so this is what the Air Max 97 Plus looks like on feet. I mean, they do look nice on feet as well, but still there's something about the other shoe that just draws me to it. I think it's the fact that it looks like a real Raf dad shoe, you know what I mean? This is still nice, and I do agree that this shoe flows and looks so much more like it would actually exist. You know what I'm saying? It's like the bottom of the shoe and the upper, the 97 and the plus goes well together, whereas the 97 plus kind of, you know, looks a little, the plus 97 looks a little off, but it's all good. Like I said, to each his own. Let me know in the comments below which one do you prefer. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and hit the bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos and reviews. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. Peace. Alright guys, this is what the Air Max Plus 97s look like on feet. And like I told you guys, this is my favorite one out of the bunch. You guys don't have to have the same opinion as me. Let me know which one was your favorite. It's either this one or the next one I'm about to show you guys. These do true to size. I don't even know what's wrong with me today. I keep stumbling on my own words. They fit true to size, so go true to size. Don't even try to go the size up. But yeah, I think these look super fresh on feet. The one thing that I have to say is the toe. That bothers me a little bit. It's a little bit too thick. But other than that, I think the shoe is super fire. Again, my opinion. Let's check out what the 97 Plus looks like on feet.